vaihtuu kukkalaksi.
Yeah, it's the 1st of July 2021. It says 1972 here. This is Kuunsäde launching it. 10 stickers, we have many stickers A and sticker C. They added another way in 2014, but the journal was still original from early 1973. This is 1972, that's why it's early 1973. Will be 50 years old in 2023. It's going to be expected this year, 2021, and the serial number is 30394. And we are here in Olari, close to Matikylä Matky here in Espoo. Espoo has a gas house region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland, and now let's ride it. Nice sounds, I like it.
Yeah.
Relays. And it has 9 force.
Yeah.
But also this could have been green. Maybe that was a spare part.
Yeah.
But it looks old there.
Yeah.
Maybe it's always been.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
And the stop and alarm buttons are of the MP6 type.
Yeah.
It's got a big gap between floors B and 1. This is actually almost 10 floors high.
Yeah.
But they still built only one elevator. I just love the atmosphere of these original ones.
Same, yeah. But unfortunately this has repainted. It was red before.
Mm.
There are still red here. But
Yeah, traces.
yeah. And this stainless steel is needless.
Yeah, and they didn't have to put it here. This is just for protection.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's